was with God, and the Word was God. Greater is he that is in me than the one that is in the world. He is the Word, and his word is final. His word is yes, his word is amen.
Butani mine kwakumnanzi ekuqaleni ngelisitha nje sekubusa sitha phela lesitha sibuye ngemandla sinemdlandla sigadla ngemandla salesibida engadlangadla buka lesitha sishaya enhloka sinamhloba sinamahloni tikhalta kamoya atihlonye bemoya bahlole thina singahlulwa yini lena kuyinqoba ngemqulo letitha qedza netodva kanlunganani vele lukholo lwethu.
Sikhuluma ngegadlangadla yelizulu, sikhuluma ngamafunga angajiki, sikhuluma ngaluthando, umthombo weluthando. Mkhumbula nikela ngale kuphela kwayo, ingcophamlandvo nakenda ushiya umlambo.